Hi everyone, welcome back to ShopRite's YouTube channel. My name is Jessica and we are back for our final episode of the Back to School series. This week we're talking all things teacher routines, but before we get started, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos, and be sure to enter that Back to School sweepstakes before it ends, found in the description box below, along with our links for weeks 1, 2, and 3. We know teachers are one of the most important people at our schools, and they want to stay nourished well throughout their entire day to keep energized and ready to teach. I know teachers rely heavily on their routine. First routine is an early morning wake-up call and an early arrival to school to start the day. I suggest coffee. K-Cups from Bowl and Basket, partnered with their hazelnut creamer. And something to bite might be their Wholesome Pantry organic instant oatmeal, partnered with some maple syrup and maybe some raisins to throw in. And if I've stocked my teacher fridge, I might have any of the flavors of the low-fat yogurt from Bowl and Basket. There's always a moment in a teacher's day where they could use a small snack to keep them going. Some of my favorites are Bowl and Basket's plantain chips or their chocolate-covered almonds. Another all-time favorite of mine is Wholesome Pantry's root vegetable chips, and if you have a moment, popping a bag of butter popcorn. Of course, something even quicker are any of the pre-packaged cheese snacks. Wash that down with Bowl and Basket's sparkling water. My favorite flavor is black cherry. I switched things up a little bit to share some of my favorite teacher lunch ideas. Now, whether you have plenty of time or just a moment, here are some options. Have access to a freezer or fridge? Bowl and Basket has an array of frozen foods like their chicken lo mein or their buffalo-style chicken dip, which I happen to love with the root vegetable chips I mentioned earlier. If you want something a little quicker, try the basil pesto quinoa, which takes less than 60 seconds to microwave, and all you have to do is mix the basil pesto into the quinoa, and there you go. If you prefer super salad, I'm a big fan of the Bowl and Basket soups, especially their tomato bisque along with their Parmesan crisps. For salads, you have Caesar salad kits or any of your favorite style of lettuces, along with Wholesome Pantry organic salad dressing line. Now, to make a teacher's routine even easier throughout the day, I love many of ShopRite's Paperbird products. Like their to-go cups for their coffee, super easy to just toss your coffee cup right after you're done for the day, or their everyday bowls for my soups and my salads, as well as their premium line of plastic utensils. And you can't go wrong with having some extra big napkins. We all know teachers go above and beyond every day, and these are just a few ideas to keep them energized and nourished. I want to wish the teachers, administrators, and students a wonderful, strong start to the school year. And thank you to ShopRite for having me. What should we talk about next? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to enter the Back to School sweepstakes in the description box below. My name is Jessica, and you can find me on all my social channels at This Season Sold. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.